Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the question that have been asked in December net 2023. The question is, an earthquake is recorded at 3 stations with P and S arrival time as given below. Calculate the crustal Poisson ratio. And given three station S1, 2 and 3 and their arrival time of P wave and S waves are given. Okay, our options are 0.25, 0.275, 0.30 and 0.33. Let us first picturize these data. Then we will get like a picture like this. And F is our focus. S1 is the station 1, S2 station 2 and S3 is the station 3. Then let us also assume that the earthquake took place at a time 10. It is not given in the question, but we are assuming that earthquake took place at 10 o'clock. Then the P wave took 1 second to reach S1 and S wave took 5 seconds to reach this S1 station. Let us name this, let us consider the distance for the station 1 as OA, and P wave took 5 seconds to reach station 2 and S wave took 13 seconds to reach station 2, and we can name station 2 distance as OB. Then that here the velocity of the P wave and S waves are constant for all these stations. Hence the distance travelled by the S wave in 1 second is considered as this much, that is our OA. It would be approximately equal to this much. Then the distance that P wave travel in 1 second will be equal to this distance OA. Then we can know that the P wave took 4 seconds. The P wave took 4 seconds to travel the remaining distance AB. Okay, the P wave took 4 seconds. That is, we know that here it is reached 5 seconds and 1 second. It took 1 second to travel this OA. Then the remaining time P wave took will be 4 seconds. Similarly, if we look in the case of S wave travels take 5 seconds to travel this OA distance. Similarly, therefore this OA also took 5 seconds. Okay, then the remaining distance AB, S wave took 13 minus 5, that is 8 seconds. That is, we can find that that time required by S wave is always the double the time required by the P wave. That can be denoted as Ts is equal to 2 times that of Tp. If we consider the other cases, similarly if we consider the other cases like S2 S3 and S1 S3, we can find this relationship similarly. That is, we can just know if we 5 second minus 9 second, that is also 4 second, and 13 second minus 21 second is also 8 second. In every cases we can find that the time taken by the S wave is always the double the time taken by the P wave. We got that Ts is equal to 2 times that of Tp, and we know that we have a equation that is Vp by Vs, that is the velocity of P wave divided by velocity of S wave is equal to Ts by Tp, that is equal to Ts by Tp, that is time required by S wave divided by time by P wave. We know that Ts is equal to 2 Tp. Substituting that, we will get 2 Tp divided by Tp, and Tp will be cancelled, and we can written as equal to 2 into Vs, that is the velocity of P wave is 2 times that of velocity of S wave. Okay, we got that velocity of P wave is equal to 2 times that of velocity of S wave. Okay, then ratio in terms of the velocity of P wave and S wave is written as Vp square minus 2Vs square divided by 2 into Vp square minus Vs square. This is the equation for the Poisson's ratio in terms of the velocities of P wave and S wave. Okay, here we can substitute Vp as 2Vs. Then we will got 2Vs the whole square minus 2Vs square divided by 2 into, here also for Vp we will substitute 2Vs, that is 2Vs whole square minus Vs square equal to 2Vs whole square, that is equal to 2 square 4 Vs square minus 2Vs square divided by 2 into, again 4, 2Vs whole square is equal to 4 Vs square minus Vs square. Okay, that is equal to 4Vs square minus 2Vs square, that is 2Vs square. 2Vs square divided by 2 into 4Vs square minus Vs square is equal to our 3 Vs square. And again Vs square will be cancelled and we will get 2 divided by 2 into 3, that is 6. That is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 0.33. Therefore, our answer or the Poisson ratio will be 0.33. Okay. From this question, or we can get a general information is that if the velocity of the P wave is 2 times that of the velocity of S wave, then always the Poisson ratio will be a constant, that is 0.33. Okay, always remember that if velocity of P wave is 2 times that of velocity of S wave, then always the Poisson ratio will be a 0.33. It's a constant value. Okay, thank you.